This could be you guys. What's up, YouTube? This is Cooking with Doug, and I want to give a big shout out to SUSTEAS for sending me out this electronic kettle. Now, this is a 4-star review on Amazon currently, and it's on sale right now. But this electronic kettle is absolutely fantastic. Let me show you around it real quick. And one of the things I love about these electronic kettles that a lot of people are unaware of that don't have one, the bottom, once it's heated up, is cool to the touch. So you can put it on any surface pretty much without worrying about it burning it, melting it, whatever have you. And we're going to demo that as well when we get things going. But let me put it on the base so you can see it very well. Oh, actually, before I do that, this has that old school gauge right there. Loving that. That's nice. It's got that old school Happy Days type feel to it. Swivels around. Cool to the touch handle, guys. Very nice. Then you have this little water meter thingy. So you can see how much water is in there or how much not water is in there. Very nice. I like that touch right there. This is your on and off toggle. I'll let you see that better. Very nice. Okay, look at that. Very nice. Now, definitely why I love this, when you take the top off, stainless steel inside, guys. And that's what you want on things like this. Super easy to clean, BPA free. So you're not worrying about those radical chemicals coming into your, your water or whatever have you, or whatever you put in there. Because technically, if you clean this out properly, I mean, you could put milk in there, you could put your teas directly in there. If, I wouldn't suggest if you're not going to clean it out properly, don't do that. Just do the water, it's fine. But I really appreciate that this is stainless steel inside. Very, very nice. And of course, we have the lid right here, no problem. Just click that on really quick. And before I plug this in and let you see how fast it comes to a rumbling boil, I want to mention that it comes in different colors. This is the beige. It comes in 2 greens, retro green and exclusive green, which I asked the company to go ahead and send that out to me when that comes available in the sample inventory. Oh, and it has a deep yellow. So 2 greens, retro green, exclusive green, beige, and deep yellow. So this, I wanted the exclusive green initially, but they said out their sample inventory, meaning the inventory that they have to give out creators like myself, they only had the beige left. I said, that's fine. When that comes available in the exclusive green in the sample inventory, send that out. But in the purchase inventory, meaning what you guys will do, purchase, they have all colors. So don't worry. So definitely click below and check that out. But without further ado, let's plug this in, get some water in here, and see how this thing works. All right, let's get some water in here. Now, you don't have to use filtered water. You can use your sink water, but I always urge, my viewers, machines like this, whether it be a coffee machine or, electric kettle or anything like this, go ahead and use, purified water if you can. It's better for it, just in my opinion. All right. So you saw the water's in here. Can I see the? Oh yeah. Let me get a little closer so you can see. See it right there below the 1.5? That's where the water is up to. So it's dark where the water is. That's pretty cool. So it's easy. It's visually easy to see. Nice. Now, what I love about this machine as well, there's no different settings of temperatures that you're going to. It's just on or off, right? Either we're on or we're off. So let's toggle it on. So you got that red light, very nice. Okay, already it's going. So we're about 10 seconds in. And mind you, when I first turn it on, it's super quiet. I'm starting to hear a little rumbling now because obviously it's boiling. So let's take a listen to that. Not loud at all, guys. Okay, guys. We're hearing some rumbling now. We're about at 2 minutes now. Yep, you see it. Shout out to all my old school people out there. What y'all know about that? You saw it. All right. Now, remember what I told you before about the bottom being cool to the touch? Well, I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to turn it back on. It's going to come to temperature in probably the next 5 seconds. And I'm going to take it off and put my hand directly under it just to show you. Okay? You heard it. You saw it, right? We're going to do 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not just barely warm. Barely. This wouldn't burn nothing. This wouldn't burn paper, plastic, wood, nothing. So imagine having this and, you know, getting it to a boil and being able to carry it around anywhere in your house, the kitchen table. So you can put it on your kitchen table just like this. Just like that. Whether it's wood, glass, whatever. You can lay it on your lap if you want. I'm just saying. All right, let's pour some in. As you can see, it's piping hot. I like my coffee dark, guys. Sorry. No creamer here. No sugar. Straight up. This could be you. This could be you. Link will be in the description. This stuff's good for you. I drink this herbal tea about 2 to 3 times a week. Very nice. Let me give you guys a closer look. All right, just dump it in. And you just pour it right in there. Like I said, link will be in the description. I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes before I drink it. Now you can strain all of this out. It's up to you. But it has a great taste. Very healthy for you. Click that link and read up all about it. Very nice. And finally, I have these Momofuku ramen noodle flavored soy and scallion. These are good. And this is out of the company's variety pack. The link will be in the description as well. I added water. I filled it up to the max this time. We're about at 3 minutes now. See how it looks when it's boiling, see? So it just clicked off. You still can see it even at the max. Nice. All right, so all we have to do is pour water and let it fill, let it cook the ramen. Let that sit for about 3 minutes. Looking good, smelling good. Let's build the rest of my ramen. This could be you guys. You see it. Some good eating here, guys. So again, guys, I'm loving this kettle. Loving the old school look of it. Again, the stainless steel inside is a must. I love that it got that little gauge there as well. Remember, the handle is cool to the touch. So I'm telling you, I would give this a 4 out of 5 easily. And remember, it comes in different colors. So definitely check that out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And remember, click the link down below to get this electric kettle. Absolutely fantastic. And there'll be some other links as well, as I mentioned earlier in the video. But hit like if you like it. Remember to subscribe. If anything, thanks for just even looking at my video. It's Cooking with Doug, and I'm out.